Hi Hari, today we are going to draw a very nice emoji. As you can see from the drawing, we have already drawn a bigger circle here. Now let's draw the outlines for the next improvements. I'm drawing an elliptical shape here. Now I'm going to connect it with a straight line which is little bit inclined within the surface and do a curved line in the end. This looks like something a musical tone, symbol of the musical tone, or a stick which is used to play golf. So you can connect with your imagination. I already make it a darker color. Then I'm going to provide an elliptical shape here too. All right. So this is the mouth and the tongue is in the bottom. On the top part you can see here. So this is the eyebrow and this is the another eyebrow. Okay. Let's put the color for the whole surface. We're going to start from the left side now and put the light strokes all over the surface inside that circle. Going to the top part. You can see the coloring is almost done. Okay, so this is the uniform color all over the body. Now we are going to put the black color inside this one. All right, so all over the surface let's put the black color using the pencils. This is a 6B pencils. All right. Let's put the red color at the bottom part. This is a uniform red color for the whole area. All right, so the drawing is complete. I hope you like the drawing. Please subscribe the channel, put the bell icon on to get new updates. You can also go inside the channel and browse through the categories. We have the playlist. You can browse through the playlist and select your own categories and choices. To go forward, you can select your own choice and do the practice from that categories. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.